get noticed in this 2008 Chevrolet HHR. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag. Call today to schedule a test drive.